All right, today we got a 2016 Ford F-250 in the shop for tint, and it's got one of the infamous mirror brackets that's either gonna make you or break you. Today I'm gonna show you how to get it off without breaking the windshield. First thing you want to do is open it up, stick the narrow part down in here like this.
No windshield is flexing.
Of course we do. Plus, I'm only using this. Normally I use your dead blow hammer, which I was gonna switch to next to give it a couple taps. All right, I was trying to use the butt end of my squeegee, my Blue Max. That wasn't working. So I'm gonna switch to the dead blow hammer. And if that doesn't work, we're just gonna cut around it because the SUNSTRIP is not going that low. I think we got it. Guys, you don't want to just pick up this equalizer tool just for forward mirror brackets. It also has a plethora of other tools to get other mirror brackets off. Very, very handy. MP228 from Equalizer. Guys, pick yourself up 2 of these. put the mirror back on, we're going to take some silicone lubricant.